Hi guys, welcome to CAD CAE tutorial. Today we are going to see and use a CATIA software, and this project a round plate, and this project is a small and round steel plate is designed here, and how to easily drawing this round plate, and all method is learn here one by one. And guys, this plate is very important and very useful in home, and how to this design is design here, and how to easily design this body. Okay, this is a multi-section view is designed here, and also this is a isometric view is okay. This is a perfect this body is a isometric view is designed here, and so nice looking here, and this body is perfect, and back side is also perfect. This body is beautiful. Small project is designed in use in CATIA software. Okay, let's start here how to easily design this body. Okay guys, okay, at first select a mechanical design and use a generative sheet metal design here. Okay, and this body is all is inactivated, and at first click a okay, this plane is a select a XY plane and use a this position a sketch is select here. This is a correct okay, and absolute axis system is this axis is a absolute axis system, and use a XY plane and swap and reverse vertical and click OK. This is a perfect, and click a circle. Okay, this is a correct use a mention any dimension is 190 is correct okay, double click here and 190 is correct. Exit, and this sheet metal parameters is click because all command is activated. At first select this sheet metal parameters, then other command is also activated, and click sheet metal parameters is dialog box is pop up, and this thickness is value is changeable, and default bend radius is 4 mm and thickness is 1 mm. Also this value is change here easily. Okay, click OK, and at first click a wall is this, and direction is invert material side, and preview is showing here. This is a okay, and use a shading with edge. Okay, all is perfect and all command is activated, and this body is looking perfect. This thickness is 1 mm is correct. Okay, and this plane is also hide because this body is looking perfect. Okay, and select this face and again select a position sketch. Okay, this is a perfect and click swap and reverse vertical, click OK. Okay, and use a this offset command is use here, and anywhere click this face, and this is a okay, distance is -8 is correct. Okay, all is perfect and exit. Okay, use a surface stamp command is used here, and angle is 90 degree and height is okay. At first select this circle boundary, and direction is automatically inward, and this thickness is 26 millimeter, and preview is showing here, and this first radius is 5 millimeter, and again select radius is 5 millimeter. Preview is showing here. This is a correct. Okay, all is looking perfect, and all is so nice here. And also this is a 4, and this is a 4 millimeter is better. This is a correct. This body is a looking perfect. Okay, this is a correct. Okay, and again select this use this shading with edge without a smooth edge, and this is a some boundary is use drawing here, draw here, and use a command is use here teardrop. Teardrop is command is very important and very useful, because this boundary is draw here, and this length is 2 millimeter, and again radius is 2 millimeter is correct, and this upper line is okay. This is a boundary preview is showing here. This is a correct, and again select 1 millimeter is correct. Okay, not better, but 2 millimeter is correct. Okay, this design is drawing easily, and use some material is used here, and use a shading with material. Okay, and draw a material is a steel. Click OK, and this is a this material is right click, and property is click here, and this reflectivity is very high, and use a rod. This is a steel material is used here. This is a correct. Okay, this body is perfect, and this body's design is also perfect and so nice here. Okay, this is a looking perfect, and also multi-section view is drawing here. Okay, this is a correct. Okay, this isometric view is drawing this body. Okay, this is a correct. This body is correct. Okay, guys, next project drawing lecture is coming soon, and guys, I hope you will learn this command is very easily and clearly. Guys, any doubt about this lecture, then you go to comment box and write a comment. And guys, get at first more and more new videos. Please subscribe this channel and like and share. Okay guys, thank you.